Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the generated image from Ideogram. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Ideogram app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now on the screen, you can see options like Home, Images, Create, Notifications and Menu. You're gonna have to select Images option, which is the second option on the bottom of your screen. Tap on it, then under My Images category, you're gonna find the image that you've generated. Select the image that you want to download. Then on the screen right beside your username, you're gonna find a three-dot menu. Tap on the three-dot menu, then a menu will appear from the bottom of your screen. From there, navigate your way to the download option, then select the type of quality that you want to download it in. I'm gonna select JPEG, then Ideogram will automatically download the image that's generated into your phone. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.